Hi, I'm Edith Ray with Radiant, and today I'm going to show you my favorite breakfast that's done really fast and super healthy. So here's the end result. This is chia pudding, and it's really simple to make. Chia seeds are originally grown in Mexico, and in Mayan language, chia actually means strength, and they used to call it the runner's food because it's so nutrient dense. It gave them energy to run. Chia seeds are packed full with fiber, also with a very good omega-3 fatty acids, which are very important for our health. It's also rich in antioxidants, in vitamin E, and protein as well. Now I'm going to show you how I make this breakfast. So the night before, I take a jar and I use 1 cup of my homemade almond milk, but of course you could use normal milk or any milk you like to use. Then we put 3 tablespoons of chia seeds into our jar. We close it, and this is the fun part, we shake it. And I learned by mistake that you need to do this for about 2 minutes, the shaking on and off, because if you just put it down like this now, all the seeds will go to the bottom and stick together, and we don't want that. So what I do, I just shake it a bit, go and do other things, brush my teeth, whatever, and put it down again, and this about for 2 minutes till it's really well mixed. After it's mixed really well, I'm just going to put this in the fridge overnight. This is what it looks like the next morning. So it turned into this beautiful pudding. So what I like to do, I take my chia pudding and I mix it with some wonderful fruit, for example blueberries. These I picked from a farm here in Vancouver. And make another layer of chia and a layer of strawberries from my garden. Another layer of chia pudding. And of course you could decorate on top with some fruit, and there we have a wonderful healthy breakfast. Confession time here. Quite often in the morning I'm in a hurry to get to work, so sometimes I just grab the jar as is and run out of the house and eat it at work or on the way to work. So there you have it.